Hello, how are you all doing? Right here I've got myself a Rohr Tig Welder HP200. I got this on Thursday evening. It's arrived today, Saturday afternoon, and I'm going to open this box, see what the quality is like, and give you all a demonstration. Alright? So we've got our earth lead and our MMA torch in there. What's that then? Some kind of square thing in the bubble wrap. Don't know what that is. I'm not going to use this. I do not like using MMA. I hate it. The earth clamp's pretty. It's not exactly tightened up in the right place, but we'll sort that. It's nothing. It looks similar to most earth clamps that you get with Tig Welders these days. Pretty good. Quite a solid clamp on there. Right. We've got obviously our book and the welder itself. Here it is. Perhaps I should have got that out on the floor. Right. Oh, you get a nice little bag with all this stuff in. We'll see what's in there in a minute. Right, instantly. Oh, so we've got some damage on the welder. Damage on that casing, which is not too good. I mean, it's a tool at the end of the day, so it's going to get some beating on it. But this handle just feels really cheap, like some garden sprinkler hose you get from a low budget hardware store. Oh, that's never pulse. Looks like a pull. Right, okay. The plastic feels very flimsy. End of the day, this is a 199 quid Tig Welder. Weld it with Rohr. So it's the performance that we're after, but it does feel cheap. Right. The plug has got some thick wiring. That's pretty thick wiring, is that? It's like 16 mil or something like that. So we'll see what's in this bag. So we've got our TIG torch in there. A little bag with all our tips and cup sizes. Nothing else in there. Right, so I'm guessing this is a mask. I kind of like how soft the button is, to be fair. Quite a soft action, but that looks really tacky. It really does. I don't see a tungsten in here. Have we got one with the packaging? There's no tungsten with this. I'm going to check the box. Right, so that is a problem. You get this to your house, you want to crack on with some TIG welding straight away, and you've got no tungsten with it, so you can't crack on, you need to buy tungsten. So I'm going to check the order to see if you do get a tungsten with it. So we've got damage, we've got no tungstens, we've got collets for them. Looks like we've got two sizes, a 2.4 and a 3.2, which is fair enough. This torch feels really cheap, but this is a review on a cheap, low budget TIG welder. I'm going to put one of my own tungstens in here and give it a whirl, see what happens. Okay, so we've got the pipe hooked up here. It's got a bayonet fitting, which I'm pleased about. I've made sure all these connections are tight, and we're going to give it a blast. Okay, so first thing I've noticed before I put this together, can you see that? Will we focus? It's blocked. See those holes there? We've got a blockage. Right. But it's a £199 TIG welder. You can't get this in there. It will have to be drilled out. There we go. See that? We're going to have to drill that out. Not a problem if you're handy with tools. I can probably dig it out with the tungsten actually. There we go. Now we're through. Anyway, let's get it all together. Okay, so what are my thoughts regarding the welder? Well, it welds pretty good, surprisingly good, considering the price of it and the quality of some of the components. When you do get it dialed in correctly and you get a good bead flowing, it's silent and it's smooth and it does do a pretty good weld. I'll show you some of the work I've done already with it. These are the welds I've got done with it. They're not all straight. I've not used filler wire. I've just gone straight through and fused both of the metals together. And yeah, it's pretty good. I would put my hand up to this and say, if it's what you can afford, £200 TIG welder, DC, 160 amp, then go for it, get it. The only thing which would be a concern is how long will it last before it packs in on you. That's the only thing, but we don't know. I would recommend it for a first weld. You can get to grips with it. It's quite easy. It does the job. I found it's most, if you've got like 5mm steel, it's better off just at 105 amps. It runs nice at 105 amps. These are my settings on there, as you can see. So yeah, give it a go and enjoy it.